We are in week 7 of Old Testament Survey 2. We have 2 weeks left, actually 1 3/4, because next week, week 8, the final day of class will be Thursday, and all assignments will be due by the end of the day, 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on Thursday. So please be aware of that and be making plans accordingly. I don't have much to talk about in this video, just introducing what we're going to be looking at this week. Don't have any written assignments, don't have the contextualized application assignments, just have the 2 discussion boards. The first discussion board is going to be dealing with the concept of wisdom, especially as it plays out in Proverbs. So pay very close attention, especially to the first 8 or 9 chapters of the book of Proverbs, and in your reading, actually, and just to kind of pay attention to the structure of Proverbs, how it's set up, because it can help you come up with an overall rhetorical strategy that the author is trying to employ there. Well, the compiler, because of course Proverbs has several different authors, as the Proverbs themselves state. And we're also going to be dealing with Song of Songs and how we should treat that. I would encourage you on that to pay close attention to the authorial intent becomes very important, and with anything we study. But obviously here, authorial intent is going to have to be the driving force in our discussion of how do we deal with Song of Songs. So as you get into it, you'll see more and more. With the wisdom conversation, I have a second question I want to pose, but I'm not going to pose it yet. I'm going to pose it in the middle of the week after you've had a chance to deal with this. But be looking for that second question, because it's, I think, a very important one related to what we're talking about with the concept of wisdom.